Good start. That Mini's away pretty good as well. It's gone. This thing is fast off the line, and I've left the pack for dead. That Mini's coming back now. Oh, look, can I beat it? That's it, that's the win.
So, just how close was it? Well, the supercharged 1.8 litre Yaris GRMN did the standing quarter mile in 14.5 seconds. The Mini JCW did the quarter mile in 14.8 seconds. The Fiesta ST did the standing quarter mile in 15.1 seconds. The Polo GTI did the standing quarter mile in 15.5 seconds. Finally, the 208 GTI did the quarter mile in 15.6 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go! Well, this thing doesn't half pick up fast, but so is that Mini. That Mini's gone. It's me against the Polo, and this seems quicker. This seems quicker. Whoa! And it's increasing its lead. This thing is brilliant. It's not quite as quick as the Mini. That was interesting.